Now, this might not be even remotely perfect, but I'm having a grand old time. Oh my gosh. What a day for it. A boil up in the woods. I got the tarp covering me today. For now. See how long that lasts above me today. I gotta bring you guys in here though. Keep you guys dry too. Think you can make anything home. This is me home now for a little bit today. I can't wait to have 100 people telling me how I should have that tarp assembled up there. And I'm gonna tell you, yeah, I know.